Bless up viewers, subscribers. Wow, it's a cold morning this morning. Yeah, so how you all doing? Just and hope that you had a wonderful weekend. Wow, it's freezing outside, man. But guess what? Still have to go out to make the dough, you know? So it is. So what have you guys been up to? Hope that you enjoy your weekend, protecting yourself as much as possible as well, because you know that is key right now, and just making sure that everything is well. So as you can see, it's a very cold morning. Today is actually February the 8th, so I'm basically heading out to work this morning. Wow. Whew. The temperature is freezing. Freezing temperature we have here this morning. Well, guess what? Links WS7 TV is always here to keep you up to date as always. Incredible information, incredible stories as always. And you know, we always try our best to just keep you on point with what is going on around the world as it relates to news, entertainment, what's popping, what's trending. So we always try to just cover some of those stories for you and always try to bring it to you as quality and credible entertainment as always. So this is how it's looking right now. I can tell you it's a freezing morning. Freezing. It's actually snowing still. But I just want to wish for you a blessed day, a productive week, and even for the rest of the month. I just want to wish you all the best, whatever plans you have. Just try your very best to put that best foot forward and just give it your all, because at times it's gonna seem as if you want to just throw in the towel and give up. But guess what? When you feel as if you're gonna give up, just find that strength within you just to push harder and push yourself harder at what you're doing, because nothing in life comes easy. And when it does comes easy, or even if it does comes easy, it goes easy. So you have to just always keep that in the back of your head and know that whatever you want in life, you just have to push yourself to that limit, push yourself beyond that point where you believe is your limit. Because some of the times if you just try a little harder, you will find out that you can be very successful at what you're doing. So you always have to just keep that focus, keep that mindset, keep that positive vibes about you. And when others try to deter you, just know that you are in charge of your own life and you are the one that determine your own destiny. So have a blessed and productive day from Links TV, and much love as always go out to you, the viewers, wherever you are watching in the world right now. Much love, much respect as always. Peace out and have a blessed day.